In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update BlueStacks. Updating your software is crucial for a smooth experience. It ensures you have the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. Let's dive into the steps. First, open BlueStacks 5. You will see the familiar interface that allows you to access your favorite apps and games. This is the starting point for your update process. Make sure you are using the latest version to get the best performance from your applications. Once you have BlueStacks open, you're ready for the next step. Next, find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. It is located on the right side toolbar. Click on it to open the settings menu. This menu is where you can customize your BlueStacks experience, and it's essential for managing your updates. Accessing the settings is a simple action that leads to significant improvements in your software. Once you are in the settings menu, select the About tab. This tab provides you with information about the current version of BlueStacks you are using. It's helpful to know which version you have before proceeding with the update. This knowledge ensures you are aware of what enhancements or changes to expect after the update. Now click on Check for Updates. BlueStacks will automatically search for any newer versions available. This action is essential because it connects you to the latest features and improvements that the developers have released. If a newer version is found, you will have the option to proceed with the update. If a newer version is available, click Download Update. This step initiates the downloading process for the new version of BlueStacks. You'll see a progress bar indicating the download status. It is critical to let this download complete fully. This ensures you receive all the updates and fixes included in the newer version. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it. This action begins the installation process for the new version. You may see a security prompt asking for permission to run the installer. Granting this permission is important to proceed with the update smoothly. You are now just a few clicks away from enhancing your BlueStacks experience. Next, click Update. This action confirms your choice to install the downloaded update. The installation process will take a few moments, during which BlueStacks may close temporarily. This step is vital because it ensures that the changes are applied correctly to your application. After that, wait for the update to complete. BlueStacks will restart with the latest version once the installation is finished. You will see the familiar loading screen as it prepares the new version for you. This ensures that you are all set to explore the new features and improvements right away. If you prefer a different method, you can also download the latest version manually. First, open your web browser. This is the starting point for accessing the official BlueStacks website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth download experience. Go to the official BlueStacks website. You can type the URL directly into the address bar. This step is necessary to guarantee that you are downloading from a legitimate source. It is important for your security and the integrity of your application. Download the latest BlueStacks 5 installer. This action will also take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer. This step will start the installation wizard, guiding you through the rest of the process. Next, click Update. The process will be similar to the in-app update method. Wait for the installation to finish, then launch BlueStacks. You will be greeted with the updated interface, ready for you to dive back into your favorite apps and games. Updating BlueStacks 5 does not remove your installed apps, instances, or settings. However, it's still a good idea to back up important game progress by signing into your apps or games with a cloud account whenever possible. This precaution ensures that your valuable data is always safe. Finally, an important note to remember: if you're using BlueStacks 4, you cannot update it directly to BlueStacks 5. BlueStacks 5 is a separate installation because it was rebuilt from the ground up. If you want to move from BlueStacks 4 to BlueStacks 5, you will need to install BlueStacks 5 separately. This knowledge will help you make a smooth transition to the latest version.